Today we're going to show you how to insert studs into a RuffStuff axle housing. Take the studs, put them up through the bore, take a stack of washers, a nut, tighten down, and you are there. That was so easy. Let's do it again. Stud through the bore, stack the washers, place the nut, tighten the nut, bang, good to go. Say you need to remove the stud, no worries. Tap of the hammer, you're out. And now you're ready to rock on. Thank you so much, as always, for watching our videos. Thank you so much, always, for choosing RuffStuff.